Good afternoon, everyone. I am Trishanubani from Indian Meteorological Department. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing program. First, we will discuss about the last 24-hour weather observed. So, the people who are already following the IMD channel, they are already know what are the weather conditions was there yesterday. So, I'm still briefing the last 24-hour weather. What was the condition? There was a heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy falls occurred at isolated places over Vidarbha, Konkan, Goa, and over the eastern part, Orissa and Chhattisgarh. And if you look at the heavy to very heavy rainfall, it occurred over the isolated places over Madhya Maharashtra, Gujarat region, Tamil Nadu, coastal and south interior Karnataka. And also, the heavy rainfall incident was reported over the isolated places of Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Saurashtra and Kutch, Telangana, Kerala, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam. So now we will talk about the synoptic situations. What are the synoptic conditions for today over the India and its surrounding region? There are mainly four different synoptic systems are present today. First one is the well-marked low, which is lies over the coastal Orissa and the western part of the northwestern coast of the Andhra Pradesh, and also you can say over the west central Bay of Bengal and its adjoining area. You can see these well-marked low pressure area here in the map, and also there is another cyclonic circulation is also there. You can see here over the northwestern part of the Rajasthan, and the monsoon trough is stressed from the northwestern part of the low pressure area, which is lie over the northwestern part of Rajasthan up to the center of the well-marked low pressure area, which is represented by the dashed red color line. You can clearly see over the map. And also there is a shear zone which is runs approximately in the 90-degree north over the northern peninsular India in the middle tropospheric level, and you can see through this green line, and under the influence of this system there is a good amount of rainfall activity we are expecting in the coming 2-3 days. And also there is a offshore trough you can see represented by the blue line, which is existing over the coast of the Maharashtra and the Karnataka. You can clearly see all these synoptic systems. So now if I talk about the highlights, as I already mentioned, there is a well-marked low pressure area over the northwest Bay of Bengal, an adjoining area of coastal Orissa, north coastal Andhra Pradesh and west central Bay of Bengal. And also under the influence of these system that I mentioned, we are expecting the intense wet spell over the Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Gujarat, Konkan, Goa, Ghat area of Madhya Maharashtra, Telangana during next 2 to 3 days. If we go to the more quantitative manner, the forecast for the next 5 days, we are expecting fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls of thunderstorm and lightning is very likely over the Gangetic West Bengal during 9th and 11th, Jharkhand on 10th and 11th, Orissa during 8-12, Assam and Meghalaya on 8 and 9, and over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura on 8, 9 and 12 August. And if we go more precisely, there is a chance of isolated very heavy rainfall over Orissa on 10th August. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall is also likely over Orissa on 8 and 9th August. And also there is a chance of fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls and thunderstorm lightning over the southeast Rajasthan during 8 to 12, all 5 days, and also over the east Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh on 11th and west Uttar Pradesh on 12th August. If we go more precisely, isolated very heavy rainfall also likely over Uttarakhand on 10th and over East Rajasthan on 12th of August. And if you move to the central part of the India, there is a chance of fairly widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls and thunderstorm and lightning over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and also over the Ghat area of Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan, Goa during 8 to 12. That is all 5 days, and over the Gujarat state during 8 to 11, and over Marathwada during 8 to 10th August. And if you look at more precisely, then you can see isolated very heavy rainfall likely over West Madhya Pradesh during 10th 12, East Madhya Pradesh during 8 12, Chhattisgarh during 9th 11, Vidarbha on 10th and 11, Marathwada on 8 and 9, Gujarat region on 8 and 11, Saurashtra and Kutch on 8, 9, 11, and over Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan, Goa on 11th of August. And also there is a chance of isolated to scattered extremely heavy rainfall over Chhattisgarh on 8, Vidarbha on 8 and 9, Konkan and Goa and Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra during 8 to 10th, Gujarat region on 9th and 10th, and over Saurashtra and Kutch on 10th August. If you move further southern part of the India, then fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls and thunderstorm lightning is very likely over Rayalaseema Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu on 8, Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam on 8 and 9th. Karnataka and Kerala Mahe during 8 to 11 August. And also isolated very heavy rainfall likely over north interior Karnataka and Kerala and Mahe on 8, Telangana on 9th, coastal and south Karnataka on 8 and 9th August. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall also we are expecting over Telangana on 8th August, that is today. So that's all. These are the weather warning. You can clearly see the different regions and the different colors, specifically the region like Odisha and the eastern part of the MP, Madhya Pradesh, and also these are the region like a few parts of the Maharashtra and Konkan Goa regions. You can see there is a red warning is given, and for today and also for the tomorrow and other region other days you can clearly see the different colors and its representation. So that's all. So these are the different apps like Mausam, Damini, Magdud app. Please download those app and check those app, and also you can follow us over the Facebook and Twitter and also over the Instagram. And also please visit the IMD website to get updated about the weather information. Thank you.